Want a happier, healthier mind? Try these 7 quirky habits. Forget the same old mental health tips. We're shaking things up. In this video, we're diving into 7 unexpected, playful, and downright weird habits that can seriously boost your mood and mental well-being. From offbeat routines to surprising activities that rewire your brain for happiness, these unconventional tricks will keep your mind sharp and your spirits high. Ready to embrace the quirky side of self-care? Let's get started, because sometimes the weirdest habits lead to the biggest breakthroughs. Habit 1. Dancing like nobody's watching. Let's talk about the incredible mental health benefits of spontaneous dancing. When you dance, your body releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that help reduce stress and elevate your mood. So why not let loose and express yourself through movement? Whether it's in your living room or at a party, dancing without judgment allows you to experience pure joy and freedom. Embrace the rhythm, shake off your worries, and remember, it's not about perfection, but about feeling alive and connected to your body. Habit 2. Talking to yourself. Let's explore the advantages of self-talk for achieving mental clarity. Verbalizing your thoughts can help organize your feelings and significantly reduce anxiety. By expressing what's on your mind, you create a clearer perspective on your emotions. I encourage you to engage in positive self-talk as a powerful form of self-encouragement. Start by asking yourself questions or affirming your strengths. Remember, the key is to be constructive. Focus on solutions rather than problems. So go ahead and have that conversation. Your mind will thank you. Habit 3. Embracing your inner child. Let's dive into the importance of playfulness and creativity for your mental health. Engaging in childlike activities can be a fantastic way to relieve stress and boost happiness. Remember those hobbies you loved as a child? Now's the perfect time to rediscover them. Whether it's drawing, playing games, or simply being silly, these activities can reignite your imagination and creativity. Embracing your inner child not only brings joy, but also enhances your overall well-being. So let loose and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. Habit 4. Practicing gratitude with a twist. Let's explore some unconventional gratitude practices that can transform your mindset. Instead of the usual list, consider creating a gratitude jar where you drop in notes of appreciation throughout the week. You can also write heartfelt letters to people who have impacted your life, even if you don't send them. Regularly reflecting on the positive aspects of your life can significantly boost your mental health. Cultivating a gratitude mindset not only enhances your mood, but also fosters resilience and a deeper sense of fulfillment. Habit 5. Laughing at yourself. Let's explore the therapeutic effects of humor and self-deprecation. Laughter is a powerful tool that can alleviate stress and significantly improve your mood. By finding humor in your own mistakes and imperfections, you not only lighten your emotional load, but also foster a sense of connection with others. Remember, life is too short to take too seriously. Embracing a playful attitude towards your flaws can enhance your mental well-being and encourage resilience. So go ahead and laugh at yourself. It's a wonderful way to embrace life's quirks. Habit 6. Nature immersion. Let's discuss the incredible mental health benefits of spending time in nature. Being outdoors can significantly reduce anxiety and improve your overall mood. Whether it's a walk in the park or simply sitting under a tree, nature has a calming effect that helps you reconnect with yourself. I encourage you to take regular breaks outdoors, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. This connection with nature not only enhances your mental well-being, but also supports holistic health, promoting balance in your life. So step outside and soak it all in. Habit 7. Creating a personal sanctuary. Let's explore the importance of having a calming space in your life. A personal sanctuary can promote relaxation and mindfulness, providing you with a retreat from daily stressors. I encourage you to curate a space that reflects your personality and brings you peace, whether it's a cozy corner in your home or a serene outdoor area. This dedicated area for self-care can significantly enhance your mental health, allowing you to recharge and reconnect with yourself. So, take the time to create your sanctuary and enjoy the tranquility it brings. your mental health matters, and these 7 quirky habits can make a real difference. Whether it's dancing like nobody's watching or creating your personal sanctuary, small changes can lead to big improvements in your happiness and well-being. Embrace playfulness, practice gratitude, and find joy in life's imperfections, because a happier you starts today. Now it's your turn. Try out one of these habits and let us know in the comments which one resonates with you the most. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little extra joy. Want more ways to boost your well-being? Check out our other videos for more practical tips. Let's make happiness a daily habit.